We're solving problem 9 from the 2021 MC12A. Which of the following is equivalent to this expression up here? 2 plus 3 times 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 2 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power of 8 plus 3 to the power of 8 times 2 to the power 16 plus 3 to the power of 16 times 2 to the power of 32 plus 3 to the power of 32 times 2 to the power of 64 plus 3 to the power of 64. So we just want to find a expression equivalent to this one up here as shown. And this problem requires a very valuable insight, one that requires a basic, it requires the difference of squares formula in this problem. So if you haven't been able to see it, the difference of squares, I'll just say, in general, is when, if there's two numbers, a and b, a minus b times a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Or the square, a squared minus b squared. And this will help very helpable in solving this problem. And this insight is where, look at this first term. Our a and b is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 can be rewritten as 3 plus 2. And if you haven't taken a moment to figure this out, basically what we're going to do is we realize that since 3 minus 2 is 1, multiplying it by 1 wouldn't do anything. So if we multiply it by 3 minus 2, that'll start the whole chain of this. So this is equal to, this will evidently be equal to 3 squared minus 2 squared. And since you can rewrite all these expressions backwards as, like this one, 3 squared minus 2 squared, you have this expression when you multiply the first thing by 3 minus 2. So this and that one just becomes 3 squared minus 2 squared. Multiplying it by the second term, 3 squared minus 2 squared. This is 3 squared plus 2 squared. This is equal to 3 to the power 4 plus, minus 2 to the power of 4. And this basically keeps on going until you get to this last term. Now, some of you might think it's to the power of 64, but it's actually to the power of 128, since the powers of the subtractions of the 3 and 2 is also going to be of 64. So therefore, when you multiply the two 64s together, you're going to get a power of 128. Therefore, C is our answer, because this can all be equated using the valuable insight that you multiply it by 3 minus 2 or 1.